In my first video I showed you how to create a PDFA document with itext5, but I didn't show you how to include the necessary libraries. So the necessary libraries are itext PDF and itext PDFA. And if you just copy the code without including the libraries, your code will look like this. So a lot of errors because Java doesn't know, for example, a PDFAWriter by standard. So to add a library, there are many ways. I will show you two today. So the first way will be the manual way, the safest way. So adding the jar files directly to your project. And the second way will include using a package manager. I will use MAVEN. So the first way to add a library to your project is inside project structure. You have to download the jar files first, of course, and you go to libraries, click the little plus sign here and just add the libraries you downloaded, like this. And as you can see, there are no more errors. So this is the simple way. You just have to look for the necessary packages first and download the jar files. So the second way will be the way including the package manager. First we're going to remove the jars. So we are at the beginning again. So we again have the errors like before. Now we don't have to add any files to a project, we just have to edit a .xml file. So if you create a MAVEN project, you will always have a pom.xml file and it will look approximately like this. And to add the necessary dependencies, you first have to open a dependencies tag and then add the single dependencies like this. So this is the itext PDF dependency and the itext PDFA dependency. You will find these tags on the website of the library you want to import, or you could also find it on MAVEN repositories. I put the link down in the description below. So if you just save it, you will see that we don't have the errors anymore. And yeah, this is the way with the package manager. Big advantage of this way is that you don't have to actually include the jar files in your project, because you basically have a list of ingredients in the pom.xml and your IDE will take care of the rest. It will download the jars and put them where they belong. This has many advantages because it will make your project much smaller. I hope I could make everything clear. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, leave a thumbs up. See you next time.